So, hey guys, I am Rahul Singh. I am a remote machine learning and web developer intern at Opus Studios that is located in Tokyo, Japan. So, if you are new to the channel, I would like to tell you that I am a just passed out third year student of BTech CS from GL University Mathura, and I have cracked a remote internship in my third year of my college. So, since I cracked this offer in the third year of my college, I would like to tell you what coding websites I refer to, and today we will be thoroughly inspecting my profiles on different platforms to make some helpful insights from that. So let's begin. So platform number one, for DSA and core subjects, I refer to the websites of Take You Forward and Geeks for Geeks. These two websites are absolutely amazing. So let me show you how these websites look like. Most of you must be familiar of those, but if you are a beginner, I would like to give you a short intro of these websites. So first of all, we will go to the website of Take You Forward. That is the website of Striver Via. You must be aware of that if you are using it. So this is how the homepage looks like. So it also contains of Striver's SD sheet. That is very popular. If you are using LinkedIn, your homepage must be filled up with those SD sheet challenge and success stories of people who have followed SD sheet. And I am from one of those who have followed Striver's SD sheet and have gotten a decent success. So yeah, you can also refer to the Striver's SD sheet. We can have a look on that too. Like it contains the topics, each and every topic of DSA, and it contains questions related to that. And these questions are hand-picked questions, and these questions are really amazing. So if you complete this sheet, you will be pretty decent in DSA. So, and also if you are a beginner, you can definitely refer to this sheet. And also there is a sheet, A to Z sheet. That is for beginners. Means if you have more time, then you can refer to Striver's A to Z sheet, and if you have less time, then you can refer to just SD sheet. So that is just a bit of difference. And talking about it, also contains core subjects like operating systems, computer networks. I prepared operating system from this website only, and also computer networks. It contains most of the general questions that are being asked during the interviews. You can also refer to second website, Geeks for Geeks. So that is one of the most popular websites among the CS students. You must be aware of that if you are using it, and if you are new, then you are definitely gonna use it. Whatever question comes to your mind related to the CS, whenever you type it on Google, most number of times the website that appears on the top of the search results is Geeks for Geeks, and this is what the legacy of this website is. So this is also one of the amazing websites. You can also practice here DSA, just like the Take You Forward website, but it also contains integrated ID in this, so you don't need to go on any other platform. You can also prepare core subjects, computer science, CS fundamentals like operating system, computer networks. All these topics you can get like here in the section of topic wise practice. Here you will get SD sheet of different YouTubers also, like Labbabbers SD sheet, beginner SD sheet. And you can also prepare from company wise or algorithm wise also. And suppose I want to study computer networks, then you can just simply type computer networks, and it will give you all the related topics related to computer networks, and you can study it just like documentation, and you are good to go. So these were the two websites that I referred to during my placement preparation for DSA. Now it's time for the resource number two, the websites that I actually used during my development journey. So websites that I used most of the time were FreeCodeCamp website and Stack Overflow website. These were the most helpful websites for my time, and I prepared for development from these two sites only, majorly JavaScript and machine learning, etc. And you can also refer to those. Let me show you the homepage and some starter guide of these two websites also. And so the number one is FreeCodeCamp. The FreeCodeCamp has also a YouTube channel. You can also refer to that. It contains amazing number of tutorials and amazing quality of content. And whenever I have doubt in any kind of subject, I just go on YouTube and search. Suppose I want to learn JavaScript, then JavaScript by FreeCodeCamp, and I get the videos, and the tutorials are absolutely amazing, and they are beginner friendly. So you will learn very nicely, and it also provides community support. So you will have doubt solving sessions and other stuff. So yeah, you can refer to the YouTube channel also. So see, you can see earn certifications, get started, it's free. It provides community support, responsive web design certification, JavaScript, front-end development, data visualization, database, data analysis. The most amazing thing, all this stuff is free. What the beauty of this website is, it is absolutely amazing. So you can refer to any of the courses that you want, and so just try to complete as much as courses as you can, so that you can prepare yourself better for the placements. And the other, let me give you the overview of Stack Overflow also. So Stack Overflow I generally use during my doubt time. Means whenever I used to have a doubt in JavaScript or any code snippet, I just used to Google it on, or I just used to search on Stack Overflow, and most number of times I used to get the answer of that problem. So yeah, you can refer to Stack Overflow also. So this is what its UI search looks like, and here is in the search bar, you can type whatever query you have, and you will, in most of the time you will get the answer. Most of the times you will definitely get your answer. So like this, I just searched, so like that, and other responses also. And you can also contribute your answers if you are, suppose you are facing any issue and you got to solve it somehow, then you can also upload your solutions and along with your questions on Stack Overflow to help the community members. So that's how it works. So platform number 3, we have learned DSA, we have learned development, we have practice development. So what about practicing DSA? So I used to practice DSA questions on lead code. So the most amazing and the favorite of most of the beginners and most of the CS students, this amazing platform lead code. So let me take you straight to the lead code platform and show you my profile and how to use lead code effectively. We are going to cover in this video. So I used to lead code very much. Let me show you my progress report. So I have stopped using lead code just in the month of July, because I just wanted to try out different things, and I am doing good in the internship, so I think I will get PPO. So that's why I decided to quit lead, not to quit, just to take break from lead code for some time, because see, I had completed, you can look at this greenery, so you can also achieve that, and I have completed not so much, just around 500 questions on lead code, 489 to be precise. And my rating is not that good, because I used to give, sometimes I used to give contest, or sometimes I just used to register and leave it that. I actually didn't took the contest on the lead code that much seriously, so just don't go on my ratings. Apart from that, I have solved a pretty decent number of questions on lead code, and if you are watching this video, then start solving the questions on lead code from today only, and try to maintain the consistency, try to solve lead code problems of the day. One problem appears each day on lead code, you can solve that and start from that. See, I have solved in 4 months consistently the lead code problem of the day in December, January, February, and the month of June, just the very last month. So since I have shared 3 resources in this video that I have used in my DSA and the development journey, I would like to tell you some extra resources. Means they are not specific to DSA or development, but they are used by most of the computer science students, and they will be definitely helpful for you. So they are, first, We Make Devs. That is a website by Kunal Kushwaha. He is a amazing YouTuber. I have talked about him in my last video as well. So you can refer to his channel as well. His channel is Kunal Kushwaha on YouTube, and you can refer to his channel as well. And his website is pretty amazing and contains courses like open source and Kubernetes, Docker, and other things. So it contains high quality content, and also the content that most of the students skip. So you can refer to that channel also if you are interested in open source and trying to contribute to the community as well. So definitely check that out. That is an amazing website by Kunal Kushwaha. Number 2, GitHub. So you would be, if you are a CSC student, then you will be definitely using GitHub. So most of the students, beginner students, generally don't know about what is GitHub, and they get very much confused. So I will suggest you this video of Kunal Kushwaha. It's not a promotional video of Kunal Kushwaha, but he is genuinely a good mentor for CSC students. So that's why I am referring you his videos. I will be linking his video in the description about what is GitHub and how to use it. So you can watch that video as well, and that provides a clear picture of what is GitHub, and you will be definitely gonna use it. So make your account on GitHub as fast as possible. And number 3, Codem. That website is also amazing. It helps you in development and developing websites, developing React projects as well, in fun way. It helps you, it provides you games, and it provides you tasks which you have to complete, and you will be learning development in a pretty fun way. So guys, that was it. These were the resources that I refer to most of the times, and I am pretty sure that I have skipped tons of the websites that I actually referred during my CSE times, but these were the websites that I actually remember and I use most number of times. So I have referred to you those, and just go on these websites and make your profile and start using these websites, and they are really really cool. You will be enjoying them. And so that's all from my side today. I will be catching you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.